Deadly Tarantula Girl coming to you from my private serpentarium tonight to bring you part 2 in a short plant series that I'm doing. Today I'm going to talk about Carnegie gigantea, also known as the saguaro cactus, and this is the big iconic cactus that you see in the movies, really tall with the arms sticking up like that. So those grow in the Sonoran Desert. As you can see, they start off as itty bitty adorable buttons. This is a super slow growing species. Of course, they are a spiny cactus. In the spring, they actually blossom some beautiful white flowers, and then later in the year develop a red fruit. Most people call them a prickly pear or a cactus pear, and they are eaten by some people and quite a few animals. These plants grow in southern Arizona and the western Sonoran Desert of Mexico and the far southern tip of California. This is a slow-growing species that grows maybe about 1.5 inches their first year, and then typically about 1 inch a year after that, although shockingly, they can grow to be 40 to 60 feet tall, or 150 to 200 years old. The saguaro is a unique plant because it has one main taproot that grows down kind of in the center about 2 to 3 feet, and then it has stout radiant roots that are only 4 to 6 inches below the surface of the ground. Even in the huge giant saguaro cactus, a majority of the roots are just under the soil. And they actually wrap around rocks and other things to help anchor them, because they do get some pretty wild wind and rainstorms. In the Sonoran Desert, it's typically dry, and then they'll get large, heavy rainfalls. And so it's really neat because the cactus skin has a porous pulp that actually absorbs a ton of water all at once, by up to a ton while they're waterlogged. Pretty incredible. This cactus gets really giant, weighing up to 3,200 to 4,800 pounds. I think that's really amazing. Another cool thing is that when they die, the ribs or the banding in kind of the skeleton of the plant can be used to build structures, and the boot of the cactus, which is kind of the base when it kind of dies and starts to rot away, is used by a lot of animals as a habitat, and even has been used historically by native people to hold water and things like that. So the saguaro cactus is a really beautiful and integral part of the Sonoran Desert. Hope you guys liked seeing these little baby buttons. Let me know whether or not you would like to keep cactus, and why or why not. Talk to you guys soon.